Okay, magandang araw mga Bernabeñans, mga mathematicians ng EC Bernabe National High School. So the last topic was introduction of functions. So this time, we will proceed with quarter 1, module 2, isa sa pinakamadaling module, evaluation of functions. So reviewin lang natin kung ano ba yung nakalipas na na-discuss natin ng content eh. So I have here a function. This is read as so basahin nyo sa isipan nyo. This should be read as f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay? And sabi natin last time, f of x equals 3x plus 5 is also the same as saying y is equal to 3x plus 5. Again, y and f of x can be used interchangeably. Pwede silang pagpalitin anytime. Now, nung elementary kayo, siguro nung medyo lower years, high school, may kadalasang tanong, what is y if x is equal to 2? Meaning, we are asked to evaluate this function. We are going to evaluate this function when x is equal to 2. Now, in our lesson, we will be having, this will be the same as saying, evaluate f of 2 for this case. So, given f of x equals 3x plus 5, evaluate f of 2. So again, parehas na parehas lang yung ibig sabihin na yan. Magkaiba lang nung kung kailan siya dineliver ng high school, but they mean exactly the same. So paano nga ba evaluate to? If y is equal to 3x plus 5, what is y if x is equal to 2? Paano nga ba natin yan na-solve last time nung tayo nasa lower years? So, di ba? We simply replace x with 2. We substitute x and it became 2. So, replace x with 2. Then next step, ayan, napakadali na. Of course, kailangan alam natin yung basic arithmetic natin, yung the rule ng MDAS. I hope naalala po ng lahat yan. Okay, inuuna muna natin ang mga parentheses and exponents before we proceed with those which we can multiply or divide, then proceed to those which we can add or subtract. So in this case, wala naman tayo exponent. So we can now multiply or divide. Kaya 3 times 2, 6. Then, sa third layer, right, so multiply natin yun, 3 times 2, naging 6 plus 5. For the last step, dito na tayo kay as. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So meaning, in y equals to x plus 5, if x equals 2, y is equal to 11. So try naman natin dito. If I have f of x equals 3x plus 5, find f of 2. Okay, so sabi natin, kaparehas lang siya ng kanina. Ganon din siya. Tingnan natin ha. So, tingnan nyo kung nangyari ito. Replace x with 2. Meaning, yung x na to, it was replaced by 2. Then 3x. So, naging 3 times 2 plus 5. So, simple as that. Okay, so una nyo dapat gawin, replace all x's. Lahat na makikita nyong x dyan, replace nyo with whatever is inside this parentheses. The next, multiply na daw. Kasi nga, sa PEMDAS, wala na tayong parentheses, wala na exponent. So, we can now proceed with multiplying 3 and 2. So, 3 and 2 will give us 6. Then, last step, ayan, we can now add 6 plus 5 will give us 11. So, meaning, f of 2 is equal to 11. That will be our final answer. Okay, so let's try that once again. So I have f of x is equal to 7 minus 8x. Find f of negative 3. Okay, So again, first step, replace x with negative 3. So lahat ng x, this one, replace with negative 3. And this one is replaced with negative 3. Take note of the parentheses. Okay? Then, o yan, sa PEMDAS, wala naman tayo exponent. So we can now proceed with multiplication. So we can now multiply negative 8 times negative 3. And that will give us positive 24. Okay? Then afterwards, 7 plus 24, we will have 31. And that is our answer. Okay, so another example. I have f of x equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Find f of 3. Oh, ilang x's yung papalitan natin yan? Take note of 1, 2, 3 x's. So we have 3 x's. So we will have f of 3 equals 2. X squared becomes 3 squared minus 4. X becomes 3 plus 1. So, copy 1. Okay? So, dapat, doon pala, huwag na kayong magkakamali. Then, we have now an exponent here. 3 squared. So, sa PEMDAS, unahin muna natin siya. So, 3 squared, meaning 3 times 3, we will have 9. So, 3 squared becomes 9. Minus copy, bring down, plus 1, bring down. Okay? The next step, sa PEMDAS, we can now proceed with multiplication or division. So, multiply natin to. 2 times 9, 18. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12. Then, simply bring down plus 1. Ayan, proceed with addition. So, we can collect similar terms now. So, 18 minus 12 will give us 6 plus 1 equals 7. And that is our final answer. Okay, try pa natin isa pa ulit. So I have g of x. Again, g of x is equal to 5x plus 2. Let us find g of m minus 4. O yan, medyo kakaiba yung given natin. So ang ipapalit natin sa bawat x is m minus 4. So we're going to replace this x with m minus 4. So ito siya. Okay? Your x here becomes m minus 4. 5 times parentheses m minus 4 plus 2. Okay? Then, clear na muna natin itong groupings na yan. So, we will have distribute 5 times m, 5m. 5 times negative 20, negative 4 is negative 20. Then, simply copy plus 2. Okay? Ano kaya susunod dyan? So, dapat we can now add. Okay? We can now add negative 20 and positive 2. So, we will have 5m, copy. Negative 20 plus 2 is negative 18. So, therefore, g of m minus 4 is equal to 5m minus 18. Now, let's take a look at this piecewise function. So, malamang iba sa inyo nasisindak. Ano ba itong function na to? Kakaiba itsura niya. So, piecewise, so marami siyang piraso, and bawat piraso is, in itself, a function. Now, in this example, we have two functions here, 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 4. They are only valid based on certain conditions. So, 2x plus 5 is only valid if x is less than 0, while 3x minus 4 is only valid if x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, testing gawin natin kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko na yan. Suppose I have here find f of 2. So meaning, we are going to replace x. X will become 2. Okay? Kaso, sino sa kanilang dalawa yung papalitan? Am I supposed to replace this x? Or am I supposed to replace this x? So, depende yun sa kondisyon kung saan siya valid. Sabi natin, x is equal to 2. So, sa dalawang conditions na to, saan lang valid saan lang alin dyan yung valid na function? So, dapat 3x minus 4 because this is valid if x is greater than or equal to 0. In our case, 2 siya. Greater siya sa 0. So, therefore, we're going to use 3x minus 4 for our function. Then, the rest is just as simple as kanina lang. Kanina ginawa natin. So, 3x minus 4, f of 2, 3 times 2 minus 4. Okay? Then, multiply na yung susunod yun, di ba? So, 3 times 2 is 6. Then, copy minus 4. Then, yan, pinakamadali na, subtraction. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, therefore, f of 2 is equal to 2. Ganyan siya kasimple. O, sa pa nga daw, find f of negative 5. So, meaning, in this case, x is equal to negative 5. So, sa dalawang functions, aling gagamitin natin dalawa dyan? Eh, syempre, ito ang gagamitin natin because this is valid if x is less than 0 and negative 5 is less than 0. So, we're going to focus on 2x plus 5. So, that's our function. Then, replace. Yan, yung x naging negative 5. Then, multiply. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Then, bring down or copy plus 5. Then, proceed with addition. So, negative 10 plus 5 is negative 5. So, that is our answer. O, sa pa nga daw, f of 10. So, kanina siya valid. Okay, so we are going to use 3x minus 4. So, ito siya. Replace 3 times 10, 3x, 3 times 10 minus 4. Then, 3 times 10 is 30 minus 4. And f of 10 is equal to 26. So, yan lang po ang ating evaluation of functions. Kung nagugulan kayo, please rewind the video. Panoorin nyo lang ulit siya. Paulit-ulit hanggang sa masagutan nyo yung mga activities sa ating module at masagutan nyo rin yung ibibigay kong output. Okay, so maraming salamat. Okay, maraming salamat. So please subscribe kay Zami Sosa. Okay, thank you.